Hey everyone, welcome to the Home Tech Guy, and welcome back to our gadget review series. In today's episode, we have picked out some cool gadgets from Amazon for you to check out. We have a Sky Viper Pro Series streaming video drone toy, Wonder Workshop Dash coding robot, Hayboxing all-terrain RC car, Fisher-Price Code and Learn Kinderbot, Spidey and his amazing friends Marvel Web Quarters playset, Hexbug BattleBots Arena and Hot Wheels Crisscross Crash Track. You can easily purchase those gadgets from the link in the description below. No further delay, let's jump right in and explore these amazing gadgets in detail. Number 1. Sky Viper's Pro Series Streaming Video Drone Toy. The Sky Viper 01602 Pro Series is an excellent drone that offers an immersive experience for the user. It is equipped with a high-quality camera that streams live videos to your smartphone. The drone also features a GPS system that ensures stable flight and easy navigation. It has a range of 200 feet and can fly for up to 8 minutes on a single charge. The Sky Viper 01602 Pro Series is an excellent choice for drone enthusiasts who are looking for a high-performance drone at an affordable price. To buy this drone, check out the description. Number 2. Wonder Workshop Dash coding robot. Wonder Workshop Dash is an interactive robot that helps kids learn coding in a fun and engaging way. It features voice-activated commands and can navigate objects with ease. The robot has 5 free programming STEM apps allowing kids to create their own programs and games. It is an excellent educational tool that helps kids develop problem-solving skills, creativity, and logical thinking. Check out the link to purchase this bot. Number 3. Hayboxing 18859E RC car. The Hayboxing 18859E is a high-speed 4WD electric vehicle that is designed to handle all types of terrain. It features a 2.4 GHz remote control that provides precise control over the car. The vehicle is waterproof and can handle wet and muddy conditions with ease. It comes with 2 rechargeable batteries that offer a runtime of up to 20 minutes. It is an excellent choice for RC car enthusiasts who are looking for a high-performance off-road vehicle. Purchase link in description. Number 4. Fisher-Price Code and Learn Kinderbot. The Fisher-Price Code and Learn Kinderbot is an electronic learning toy robot that is designed for preschool kids ages 3 to 6 years. It features simple coding activities that help kids learn basic programming concepts. The robot comes with a variety of activities and games that help kids develop critical thinking skills and problem-solving abilities. The Fisher-Price Code and Learn Kinderbot is an excellent educational toy that helps kids prepare for the future. Check out the description to buy this gadget. Number 5. Spidey and his amazing friends. The Spidey and his amazing friends Marvel Web Quarters playset is a fun-filled playset that comes with a Spidey action figure and a toy car. The playset features lights and sounds that enhance the overall experience. It is designed for kids ages 3 and up and helps them develop their imagination and creativity. You can also buy this by clicking the description link. Number 6. Hexbug BattleBots Arena. The Hexbug BattleBots Arena Witch Doctor and Tombstone is a remote-controlled toy for kids that comes with an arena game board and accessories. It features 2 BattleBots that can be controlled using the remote. The bots are designed for combat and can battle against each other in the arena. The set includes batteries, making it ready to play right out of the box. Number 7. Hot Wheels Crisscross Crash Track. The Hot Wheels Crisscross Crash Track is a motorized track set that features 4 intersections for crashing. The set includes a 1-hour 64-minute scale toy car that is powered. You can buy all those gadgets from the link below. If you enjoy this video, give a thumbs up for inspiration. If interested in technology and gadget reviews, consider subscribing to my channel and clicking on the bell icon to stay up to date on the latest updates and reviews. Thank you for your support.